Alright, we're back again with another dash cam power adapter installation. This time on my 2020 Honda Pilot. Last time we did it on the Tacoma. This time is going to be a little different. Hopefully easier. Totally different power adapter. Less wires, less nonsense. So let's get into the Honda Pilot and get this thing installed and get those wires taken care of. Alright, we're in the back of the rearview mirror on the Honda Pilot 2020. This is my dash cam right here. Got the wire running through the visor all the way to the USB, so that's taking a lot of space. Trying to get rid of that and have it directly connected to here. So this is much easier than the Tacoma where you had to remove the ceiling console. So this is basically direct connect. Let's open that Dongar power adapter and see what it looks like inside the box. All right, here we are with the Dongar. Let's open this thing up. All right, so these are the contents. This is the connector here, nice and simple with the USB connector. Let's see what else is in here. Comes with the USB connectors, USB-A, micro USB, and USB-C. Which is nice. You know, you can't really use the existing long cable, so they gave you these short cables so it'll make less of a mess. Simple as that, just direct plug and play. So let's get this thing installed, get the old one unplugged and plug everything in and see what it looks like. We got everything connected. I wish there was a better way to hide these wires, but when you're driving, it's totally not noticeable. The mirror blocks everything, so it's not going to be such an eyesore or distraction. But anyways, I got this thing stuck on the glass. I would have liked it if I would have stuck it on the plastic, because that sun is definitely going to melt that adhesive. I'm thinking it's going to come off, but you know, we'll see. I mean, it is 3M tape, but we'll see anyways. But everything's connected. Let's turn on the car and let's see if this thing powers up. Let's turn on the car, put in accessory mode, and let's see if this thing turns on. There you go. Literally took me less than 3 minutes to get everything installed. It's extremely easy. Anybody can do it, even your grandma, even your dog. So if you want to get this for your 2020 or same generation Pilot, I have a link in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.